Hello everyone, welcome back to part 3. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to paint Aviarch Spymaster. The miniature is base painted with Zandri Dust, and I'm using Abaddon Black for the cloth and the crow bird. I am applying Agrax Earthshade on the whole miniature. Using Karak Stone, I dry brush it on the bone areas. Once the Karak Stone is done, I am adding the first layer of Nuln Oil, mainly focusing on the feet, the hands, a bit in the chest areas. Once the first wash is completely dry, I am applying a second one. This time it's mainly closer to the ends. I'm applying Nuln Oil to give that nice transition. I am applying the first layer of Agrax Earthshade, mainly on the peak. I am applying a second layer of Agrax Earthshade on the peak as well, and also a little bit around the face. I am highlighting the bone areas with Karak Stone. I'm giving a fine highlight of Ionrach Skin just on the face. Now that the bone areas has been finished, I'm moving on to the armor using Dawnstone. I am also trying to blend Dawnstone and the skeleton area, especially around the face, so to have that nice transition that the two things is actually grown together. Also highlighting with Dawnstone the peak. Now that all the armor area has been base painted, I'm giving an Agrax Earthshade wash. While the wash is drying, I'm adding white scar on the eyes. With Administratum Grey, I base paint the teeth of the model. Then I am using Waywatcher green glaze on the eyes. I am giving a layer of Dawnstone onto the head, just to have more highlight. I am base painting the pigeon with Celestial Grey. Then I give a wash of Nihilite Oxide. I am giving a tiny bit of Carabel Crimson just on the chest area. Once the Nihilite Oxide is dried with the Carabel Crimson wash, I'm dry brushing it with Celestial Grey. Finishing it with a fine highlight of Ulthuan Grey. Now that the ghost pigeon is finished, I can assemble the miniature and put it where it belongs, to its cage. And I am giving now a layer of Dawnstone back on the bone armor areas. Now I can focus on the armor itself, so I'm base painting it with Kantor blue, starting with the birdcage. Including the candle itself. Now that Kantor blue has been put onto the plates, I can highlight the bone armor areas with Administratum Grey. Now onto the blue armor, and on the candle I'm using Nuln Oil wash. I base paint the teeth with Ushakti bone. While the Nuln Oil is drying, I am base painting the robe with Incubi Darkness. Now that the Nuln Oil is dry, I am layering the blue armor again with Kantor blue. Following it with a 1-to-1 mixture of Kantor blue and Fenrisian grey highlight. I'm finishing it with a fine highlight of Fenrisian Grey only. I am applying Collier Green shade on the robe. Using Kabbalite Green, I am layering the robe. And with Sybarite Green, giving a highlight to the robes and call it done. I base paint the candle fire with White Scar. Giving a glaze on the candlelight using Waywatcher Green. I'm using Kantor Blue on the tip of the fire, then glazing it with Lamenter's Yellow, Abaddon Black on the tip of the candle, giving a final glaze with Waywatcher Green mixed with Lamenter's Yellow. I am dry brushing the crow with Mechanical Standard Grey. Then I'm giving a highlight with Dawnstone. And fine highlighting it with Administratum Grey. I'm applying Agrax Earthshade wash on the feet and the head. The gold areas I am painting it with Balthasar gold. With lead belcher the metal parts. Then on both metallic parts, the gold and the silver areas are washed down with Agrax Earthshade. I am highlighting the crow's head and feet with Shabdivan. Once it's finished, I am base painting the ink bottle with Nagaroth knife. I am using Druki Violet Wash on the bottle. And after that I am adding Nuln Oil Wash. Once the washes are dried, I am highlighting it with Xeris Purple. Then I'm giving a highlight of Orphaned Grey. And finishing it with Kislev Flesh. With Stormhost Silver, I highlight the metal areas. And on the gold areas, I'm using Sycorax Bronze. On the ink bottle's label, I am using Rakar Flash. With watered down Abaddon Black paint, I am just writing some scribbles on the bottle label, just to make it like a description or something. On the Birdcage's rod, I am using Corn Red base. Then I wash it down with Nuln Oil. And using Wazdaka Red as highlight on the rod. One last thing I did is I added Art Coat Wash on the bottle, ink bottle itself, before gluing it onto the base. And now that it's glued over there, I call it done. So far this is one of the favorite miniature of the model itself. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed, I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe and do hit a like, it helps a lot. Thank you very much, cheers!